Now, I love a good side dish. Pause. This side dish right here. This is a tasty side dish. It's simple. It's rice, it's Jimmy Dean sausage, and it's bell peppers and onions. I mean, who wouldn't love this? It goes perfect with fried chicken. One of my favorites is this with fried chicken. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is this. You're gonna cut up one bell pepper and half of an onion and put it in a skillet, and you're gonna saute it up. Then you're gonna add one package of Jimmy Dean sausage in chunks, just like this. And you're gonna break them up really good and mix in those onions and bell peppers so that way they can have fun together and absorb each other's flavors. Then after that, you're gonna put a lid on it on medium heat and let it kind of steam cook. Then you're gonna cook some rice while everything else is cooking. All right, time is of essence. All right, so the sausage is done, and now it's time to add the cooked rice. That's right, we're gonna mix it all in really, really good. Yes, indeed. And this is gonna be so tasty. Look at it. It is a easy, tasty dish. And it only took me just over a minute to make this video for you. So hey, easy peasy, go make some.